Hi guys, welcome to Dheeksha's day, and today we're gonna go to the beach.
So we are on the Sentosa train, right?
Wow,
Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah, he's a little man. Yeah, little train. Say hi, Diksha, say hi. Look at them.
Wow.
Say hi, Praneeth. Praneeth.
It's all lovely. Wow, 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 wow. I saw the sea. Right,
What is it?
the sea is so glittery.
Yeah, glittery.
Can we swim underwater that sea?
Yeah, you cannot.
Why you cannot?
Well, you're going to the beach, we'll do it on the beach.
I want to swim.
Okay.
But we forget the swimming suit.
Never mind. So, baby, where we are now? We
At
are
the beach.
Yep. We can see the beach at the back, right?
No, I cannot.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Let's have fun.
Hey,
Okay.
I'm gonna play.
Where are you gonna play? Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
I'm going to play.
What's up, Dikshu? Wow. Nice, right?
I got spare dress. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. No, never mind. Just have fun. Yeah. Let's make some castle over there. Can we? Shall we?
No, yeah. I'm playing on the sea. Not yet.
Okay.
Can we play later?
Sure. Definitely.
Okay.
You like playing, Diksha?
Yeah. I like beach so much.
So,
Okay, that's enough. And we need some Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all.
so Diksha, what are you trying to build? Hey, Diksha.
Trying to make it some.
Sandcastle, huh? So you collected the sand for it? Yeah? Beautiful.
Yeah, she's making for me.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like this. Oh yeah, that's better. Not to break it. It's okay.
So you build it. Probably you take some sand again and build it again.
I'm gonna do this. Wait a minute. Let's go into.
Careful.
Can you stay behind me?
Never mind. Just don't go deep. Just come back. It's like you're building a bunker or what?
Yeah. Sleeping. Now you need a little help here.
So you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. I'll come.
Oh yeah, use the bucket. The bucket.
The bunker has broken.
Right there.
No. No. The bunker.
Save us. There's sand coming. Dad, we need your help. Dad, we need your Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it.
That's so crazy. That's so crazy.
So hard. She's just like my cousin.
Yeah.
She copies me. She's like, when I'm like, that's it, and she's like, that's it.
For you, it's mommy. For me, it's Hema.
Come on, mommy.
Yeah. One choco chip. The smaller one. Yeah. And one very cheesy. Sorry, cheesecake. Yeah? Yeah, cool, yeah. Oh, what's smaller? Okay. Here it is, Dheeksha. Have fun.
But I said smaller.
It's another one. That's a smaller one. See, it's a smaller one. What do you have? What do you have it here? Smaller. Okay. That looks really interesting. See? Wow. Wow, look at this. Really interesting. Thank you. That's it. Thank you. Okay.
I hope you enjoy my videos.
So, how was the beach? You didn't say it.
Very close.
Very good.
Sometimes cool.
Oh, 1,000 times cooler. Did you enjoy it, your brother?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Enjoy the friend.
Yeah, with your friends, okay. You had fun with your friends, okay. Fine. So this is the beach that we went, right? It was full of
You know,
fun.
this side is very hot.
Which side is
This side is very hot.
very hot, huh?
And
You went to the other side, right?
in the other side, it's not hot.
It is not hot, okay. Okay,
And
bye-bye. Yep.
And I need to tell something.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Guys, today on beach, my friend, a fish bite my friend.
Oh.
Teeny.
Teeny fish, okay. She was bitten by a fish, huh? Oh, okay. Is she okay now?
Not sure yet.
Okay. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.